welcome back to Red Ted Art. Oh yes, this is super simple. Our easy peasy bug hotel made from nature items. Come on, let's take a look and see how it's made. So to make a bug hotel, you need a plastic water bottle. You can also use a milk carton or anything. You can use a plant pot and stuff. That would work really nicely. Some nature finds, so we're using sticks, bark and pine cones, which I think are really great, but literally look what you can find in your area, because that's what the bugs in your area will like best. If you want to hang yours up, also a little bit of garden rope string is good, but you can also bury this under your bushes and make it really nice for your bugs there. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our bottle into, basically we're going to make 2 bug hotels out of this one. So it might be a little bit fiddly to cut it first, and we have to dry the inside because it's still a little bit wet, but we're going to cut off the ends. So you might want a grown up to help you with this. Won't need this bit. Don't worry about it being super neat, it's fine. And then we're going to cut off this end as well. And I'm now going to cut it in half again so that we can make 2 bug hotels. Although you could make 1 really long one, that's also fine. So really, it's just about experimenting, different shapes, different sizes, using different materials. Like I mentioned, milk cartons will look really good, plant pots would look really good, and of course this plastic bottle works really well as well. So you've got your 2 halves. Now I'm going to do 1 to go in the hedge and 1 for hanging up. So get your string, push it through, very simple, and just cut a little bit off so you've got enough to hang it up in a tree or a bush or whatever it is you want to attract your bugs. Make a little knot. There you go, and that can hang up. And now you basically fill it. Now there's no rules. We've got different sized pine cones. We've got some bark. I'm just going to layer it though, so that I guess different animals like different things. At first they all tend to fall out a little bit, which is fine. You just have to keep pushing it in. And it's just a nice fun activity to do together. So we're just going to layer it and layer it and layer it. Look, this is a nice bit. And it doesn't matter if they stick out, that's all good. And keep going. Okay, so we're coming to the end. You do really want to make sure that they're packed in tightly so that it doesn't fall out once it's hanging up. So you can always just keep adding and adding until you feel they're all secured and they're not going to fall out. Maybe 1 more big stick. Let's try this one. Fabulous. There we go. So, let's see. Main thing is that you can hang it up and that the bugs can basically crawl around inside and feel nice at home. So it's just simple craft. I love that it combines picking up bits and bobs from your nature walks and then turning it into something useful in the garden. So yeah, so that's how easy it is to make a bug hotel. Now if you want to read more about bug hotels, have a look in the link down below. I've got a really nice chart there showing you other things you can put into a bug hotel, especially if you're making a big one. Great to use flower pots, great to use canes with holes in them, great to use stones to attract amphibians. This is mainly for insects, so insects should like this one. So just looking at different types of things you can add to attract different types of little creepy crawlies. And yes, that is how easy it is to make a nature-inspired bug hotel. So once you've finished your bug hotel, just find a nice little spot to place it in. So we've got one here in the garden by the lavender bush and some pretty flowers. Just find somewhere where you think the bugs might be visiting, and then wait a few days to see who will come and visit and observe them through the plastic. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.